Welcome to our instructional video on how to reduce the rational expression x squared minus 4 divided by x plus 2 to its lowest terms. In this video, we will carefully walk you through the step-by-step process of simplifying this expression, so you can confidently solve similar problems on your own. Let's get started. Step 1 in solving the problem reduce the rational expression to lowest terms is to factor the numerator. The given expression is x squared minus 4 divided by x plus 2. Notice that the numerator x squared minus 4 is a difference of squares. We can factor it as x plus 2 times x minus 2. This alters the expression to be x plus 2 times x minus 2 divided by x plus 2. By factoring the numerator, we set up the expression to potentially cancel out common factors in the next step. Step 2 in solving the problem reduce the rational expression to lowest terms is to cancel out the common factors. At this point, our expression is x plus 2 times x minus 2 divided by x plus 2. Notice that the factor x plus 2 is present in both the numerator and the denominator. We can cancel out these common factors, leaving us with x minus 2 divided by 1. This simplifies the expression to just x minus 2. This is the final step, and the simplified form of the rational expression is x minus 2.